Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about relative frequency definition of probability and what is the significance of, what is the meaning of relative frequency. The relative frequency of an event is defined as the number of times that the event occurs during experimental trials divided by the total number of trials conducted. So relative frequency is an experimental one, but not a theoretical one. The concept of the relative frequency is a experimental type, but not a theoretical type. Let small m be the frequency of occurrence of the event. Let us consider the event. So that event is capital A or capital E is the event. In that event, small m denotes the frequency of occurrence of the event associated with small n independent trials of the random experiment. The ratio m by n is called the relative frequency of the event capital A or capital E. So as n increases, and what is the n? And small n is the independent trials of the random experiment, and small m is the frequency occurrence of the event, and small n is the independent trials of the random experiment. So the ratio m by n is called as the relative frequency of the event. So as n independent trials of the random experiment increases, m by n approaches to a stable value. This stable value of relative frequency is very close to actual probability. That is, it approximates the required probability. The stable value is denoted by probability of A is called the probability of the event capital A or probability of the event capital E, and it is given by mathematically probability of A is equal limit n tends to infinity m by n. As n increases, m by n approaches to a stable value. Okay, the stable value of relative frequency is very close to the actual probability value. So that is the concept of relative frequency definition of a probability. And there are some limitations of relative frequency definition of probability that are, first one is, since we can never repeat an experiment or process in indefinitely. Once again, since we can never repeat an experiment or process indefinitely, we can never know the probability of any event from the relative frequency definition. In many cases, we can't even obtain a long series of repetitions due to time, cost, or other limitations. For example, the probability of rain today cannot really be obtained by the relative frequency definition, since today cannot be repeated again. So that is a limitation of the relative frequency definition of the probability.